माझं नाव आरव अभिजित मराठे आहे. मी तिसरीत शिकतो. मी कोल्हापूरमध्ये राहतो.
Okay. Now you are going to for level 2.
ले लो कार्ड.
Yes.
Background color dark blue. Shape triangle. Color of the triangle white.
Yes.
Very good. Next card. Yes.
Background color yellow. Shape square. Color red.
Very nice.
Background color yellow.
Correct.
Shape star.
Correct.
Color dark blue.
Very nice.
Great. Very good.
Background color yellow.
Perfect.
Shape triangle.
Yes.
Color green.
Very nice. Yes.
Background color green. Shape circle. Color yellow.
Very nice. Great.